ऊपर देखिए कितना अच्छा बैकग्राउंड है, ब्यूटीफुल। ऐसा लगता है कोई वाइट रंग का कैनवस है, रुई का। अब समझने वाली बात यह है कि ये कैनवस आता कहाँ से है, ये एक प्रश्न है अपने आप में। थोड़ी देर में ये गायब हो जाएगा, तो फिर नीले रंग का या ग्रे रंग का आकाश पुनः दिखाई देने लगेगा। तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये जो रुई की तरह जो ये बादल आए हैं, ये आए कहाँ से? तो आंसर तो यही है कि किसी ने इनको जन्मा है। वो प्रोसीजर हमें पता है, पानी से भाप बनती है और फिर कंडेंसेशन होती है, ऑल दैट वी नो। बट व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट हियर टू अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट इट इज इन आकाश, it is in a bigger space, infinite space, that something emerges and it disappears also into the same thing. Now this is very important at this point. The cloud has an identity. I am calling it a cloud. और उसका एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, सफ़ेद रंग का है, ग्रे है, एक डेंसिटी है, एक शेप है, आकार है, इत्यादि इत्यादि। और उसका कर्म है, अगर सही वातावरण मिला, कंडीशंस मिली, तो बारिश करेगा। बट बारिश हो ना हो, उसका ये मूल आइडेंटिटी जो है, ये थोड़ी देर में विलुप्त हो जाएगी। ठीक बिल्कुल जैसे कि एक ह्यूमन बीइंग है, मनुष्य शरीर है, वो प्रकट होता है, खिलता है, फूलता है, कुछ कर्म करता है और फिर विलुप्त हो जाता है। तो चाहे वो आकाश हो, चाहे वो हमारा मूल शरीर हो, वो सब कुछ आकाश में ही विलुप्त हो जाता है। गीता में भी यही लिखा हुआ है। कृष्ण कहते हैं कि सब कुछ मुझसे ही जन्म लेता है और मुझ में ही विलय हो जाता है। तो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एट द एंड ऑफ इट वी आर ऑल दिस स्पेस। आई एम नॉट हु आई थिंक आई एम पार्ट ऑफ अ लार्जर प्रोसेस which is to be understood. Of course, I have my life, I have my house, I have my cycle, I have my cameras. All that is there, but all that is temporary. So if we can go on with our day-to-day life, अगर अब हम सब अपनी दिन की जो ये चर्या है, इसको अगर इस अवेयरनेस में एग्जीक्यूट करें कि life is changing, life is continuous, life is part of an eternal bigger space. The finite will finally merge into the infinite, and at the end of it, we are all infinite. Just as our problems are infinite, my pain is infinite, my poverty is infinite, my desires are infinite. But a desire is born, on fulfillment it is completed, it finishes. So विलुप्त हो जाती है। Oh beautiful, you saw that? I love nature, I just love nature. As I am recording it, there are a lot of ants which are moving on the screen of this mobile of mine. विचित्र है, जब ज़मीन पे बैठ के मैं ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ तो ज़मीन का पूरा एक भूमंडल अलग से दिखाई देता है। कितना कुछ है जो हम अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ में इतनी बिजी बिज लाइफ में वी ऑलवेज मिस दैट। बट थैंक्स टू द लास्ट 40-50 years of sadhana and adhyan and cleansing of my inner terracotta, a little bit of semblance is there, I can understand, and it makes my heart and my soul a little better, more open, more acceptable, more blissful, and my capacity to bear day-to-day stresses, pressures, challenges, situations, it becomes that one bit better. See, you can see already the clouds have started dispersing, so to say. So they come, they give you a shape, they do their things, and then they go. We are all going through birth, childhood, teens, young adults, middle-aged. You can keep calling various phases of life whatever. But at the end of it, it's all eternal. And if you can understand that, the beauty lies in that. The finite in the infinite. Aham Brahmasmi. It's not an egoistic statement, it's a fact of life. It's pretty scientific if one were to understand it. It's been a beautiful morning walk. Today I came across a number of trees, bougainvillea trees and others. I've clicked some photos I'll share with you. Some of them were young, some of them were budding, some of them were murjha gaye the, some of them were old like me. And yet there were many who had just fallen. But the beauty is in nature. The beauty of nature is that even when it has fallen, it is dead. It has a purpose. Whether it is a twig or an anthill or fallen flowers, everything has got a purpose. That is the beauty of nature. And that is what inspires me. And that is what tells me ki Ashu, you got to get up and be purposeful. Be purposeful. That is important. If a dead flower can still share its fragrance after its death in a bouquet, now that bouquet could be given to a young wedding couple in a church, or be part of a wreath of a dead soldier. But the thing is, it is serving a purpose. That's very important. We all got to serve our purpose. That's important. It's an ongoing process. Finding my purpose, living my purpose. All thanks to my Lord, my book, Krishna and Bhagavad Gita. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, nature. And thank you, those clouds. You held on and gave me a beautiful background while I recorded this. Thank you. Hare Krishna.